Uthi-ke abakhuluma kule video baningi abantu ababekholela ukuthi njengoba uFloyd ehambe eyojoyina umkhonto wesizwe ingoba kukhona igame abazama ukuyidlala i-EFF nomkhonto wesizwe. Uthi yena-ke Msalofu akazaza ayibhilive yonke leyo nto leyo-ke. Abanye-ke kuthiwa kwakhipha amazwi ukuthi lisazovela iqiniso elenze ukuthi uFloyd aphume kwi-EFF ahlukane noMalema. Ngoba phela amanye amahlebezi athi mhlawumbe ngoba uFloyd Shivambu wacasukela ukuthi uMalema wanqaba ukuthi kujoyina i-GNU ukuze uFloyd ezoba uMinister of Finance. Kanti futhi kuthiwa kusengenzeka ukuthi uMalema wajikela ngale wakhuluma noRamaphosa yedwa eceleni. Kodwa-ke bathi bahlala ethembeni lokuthi mhlawumbe one day liyophuma iqiniso ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani ngoba wonke lamahlebezi lawa awaphuma emlomeni kaFloyd.
Yazi kokohlukana kukaMalema kunye noFloyd Shivambu. Abanye abantu they were claiming into bangaba hayi it's a chess move. Ungafika imvisiswano between the EFF and the MK party. There is something that they are cooking. I never believed that. Andithi ayikho njalo and andithi that is not possible ukuba ngaba mayenzeke. Ingenzeka ingaba njalo, but I never believed that. Abanye abantu bebesithi ikhona into isezawuvela, the real reason uMalema noShivambu ebangela bangaba mabahlukane. Sezikhona izspeculations nangoku zikhona rumors zento bangaba uMalema uFloyd Shivambu wayezawunikwa ubu-deputy minister of finance. uMalema kavuma kungenwe kwi-GNU kanti uMalema yena ujikele ngapha emva wayothetha no-president. We will never know the truth. Maybe in time we will get to know the real reasons as to why Floyd left. Ngoba zonke ezi assumptions okanye ezi rumors aziphumi kuFloyd Shivambu. Mhlambi babezifuna kuye ngendizikholelwa, but until such time uFloyd open up athethe bangaba yintoni exactly eyimkisileyo. But nevertheless ngoku whatever reasons emkisileyo, ihlobo ebendivuya ngalo ukuba bona ingathi bohlukana amicable, akukho ngxabano, and noMalema uyamkhulula ngenhliziyo yakhe uFloyd. Andiyazi uba ngaba kwenzeke ntoni, ngoba ke inyaniso into bangaba I love umkhonto wesizwe and I love uhlobo ekusetyenziswana ngalo i-MKP ne-EFF eParliament, and I hope into bangaba whatever it is eyenzekileyo between uFloyd and uMalema won't affect uhlobo ebebesebenzisana ngalo eParliament. Lastly, I don't know the criteria eyenziwayo kumkhonto wesizwe when kusonyulwa inkokheli, because akukho conference apho zonyulwa inkokheli ngabantu. I am not sure ke noba ubaba uyazenyulela yena abantu bakhe okanye ikhona ikomiti, and I'm not gonna comment on that. But what I don't understand, not only kumkhonto wesizwe, kuzo zonke ezi political organization, but umkhonto wesizwe wona I think mostly because ngumbutho omtsha and kukhona abantu who worked hard on the ground to put umkhonto wesizwe where it is today. So for somebody to come efika abeseke fumana i-position, the question mhlambi enokubuzwa into bangaba ayinoba nemithelela emibi na kwaba bantu who worked tirelessly ngexesha umkhonto wesizwe ubuqala besenza kangangoko okusemandleni wabo, only to see them sidelined. Kuthathwa abantu who were never even part of the formation yomkhonto wesizwe xa kubekwa leadership babe kwi-position eziphambili. Ingaba loo nto na ayinamithelela mibi kwaba bantu kukudala besebenza na? Ngoba manibensima mani kuloo ndawo namhlanje, manibensima. Ayikabi maqabano omkhonto wesizwe, ayikabi. Ndicela nje clarity kuloo ndawo. Enkosi.